recording. Hey guys, 11 Epic Noob here, and I am going... This is my first time doing this live action. Yes, here I am. Anyways, oh yeah, Yo-Yo trick. I just made up one, like, literally not 2 seconds ago. Like, maybe a few minutes ago. And it's called the Bird's Nest. Now, what you're gonna need is a Yo-Yo. That's it. And maybe some practice. It's actually very easy, though. How you do it is... I messed it up. Yeah, you get the idea. Basically, you wrap it around your fingers. Anyways, let's try this again. There is no pause button, mother. You can say something if you want.
She's try it again.
Yeah. You're redoing this?
No, try that again. No, I'm taping you.
Okay, so...
But you're not close. You're too close to the camera.
Oh. This good? Can you see the yo-yo?
Yeah.
Okay. Take 3. Too much distraction. Actually, no, this is the best way to do it. Put up your 3 fingers. 3 fingers, and it'll be easier.
Probably.
And then once this is done rolling up, I'm a noob with yo-yos. Now, Bird's Nest. Best I can do. Yeah, it should look like this. Got the egg in the middle, and yeah. Anyways, guys, that is the 11 Epic Noob being a derp. Sign off!